Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the stunning Motorola Edge 50 Pro, a phone that packs a powerful punch at a refreshingly affordable price. This device is a true contender in the mid-range market, offering features and performance that rival even some flagship phones. Immersive display and premium design. The Edge 50 Pro boasts a stunning 6.7-inch POLED display with a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling and browsing feel incredibly fluid. And with HDR10 Plus support and a peak brightness of 2000 nits, you'll enjoy vibrant visuals even outdoors. The phone comes in 4 gorgeous colors: Luxe Lavender, Black Beauty, Moonlight Pearl, and Vanilla Cream, and features a premium build with a glass front and aluminum frame. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant, providing peace of mind against the elements. Powerful performance for everyday tasks. Under the hood, the Edge 50 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm process for efficient performance. This processor, combined with 8GB or 12GB of RAM depending on the configuration, ensures smooth multitasking and handles everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and streaming videos with ease. Storage options range from 128GB to 512GB, so you can store all your apps, photos, and games without worrying about running out of space. Versatile cameras capture stunning moments. The Edge 50 Pro's camera system is another highlight. The triple lens setup features a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, for capturing sharp and clear photos even in low-light conditions. It's accompanied by a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for capturing distant subjects and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. The 50-megapixel front-facing camera ensures you capture high-quality selfies and video calls. Blazing fast charging and long battery life. The Edge 50 Pro features a 4,500 mAh battery that should easily last you a full day on a single charge with moderate usage. But when you do need to top up, the 125-watt turbo power charging will get you back up and running in a flash. It can charge the phone to 100% in just 18 minutes. This is one of the fastest charging speeds available on any smartphone, making it a huge convenience factor. Is it the perfect mid-range phone for you? The Motorola Edge 50 Pro offers an impressive combination of features and performance at a very competitive price point. With its stunning display, powerful processor, versatile camera system, long-lasting battery, and incredibly fast charging, it's a compelling option for anyone looking for a flagship-like experience without the flagship price tag. So, that's our look at the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Are you impressed with this feature-packed phone? Let me know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a smartphone. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.